Prostate health has become an increasing concern among men, especially as they age. This gland, which plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system, is directly related to the production of seminal fluid and urine control. However, the prostate is also susceptible to various health issues, such as prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and prostate cancer, with these problems becoming more prevalent as men get older. Maintaining prostate health is not only important for physical well-being, but also for the man's quality of life. Prostate dysfunction can affect not only urinary function, but also sexual function and fertility. Fortunately, there are effective ways to care for the prostate and promote its health, and one of the most accessible and natural ways to do so is through diet. A balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients, can have a positive impact on prostate health. Foods that are rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, and beneficial nutrients help protect prostate cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, factors associated with the development of prostate diseases. Among the most beneficial foods, fruits stand out for their high concentration of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and bioactive compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect the cells of the body, including prostate cells. In this text, we will discuss some fruits that stand out for their benefits to prostate health. These fruits not only help nourish the body, but also play an important role in preventing prostate diseases. Incorporating them into the daily diet can be a simple yet effective strategy to improve prostate health and reduce the risks associated with common conditions like prostate cancer and benign gland enlargement. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing fruit rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been extensively studied for its positive effects on prostate health. Lycopene helps fight free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and increase the risk of diseases like prostate cancer. Studies suggest that regular consumption of lycopene may reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer, as well as help reduce the growth of cancer cells in the early stages of the disease. Watermelon also has a high water content, which promotes hydration and supports proper urinary system function, essential for prostate health. Regular consumption contributes to a nutrient-rich diet and can be especially beneficial for those wanting to maintain prostate health over the years. Pear. The pear is a fruit rich in fiber, which aids digestion and contributes to gut health. Dietary fibers are important for the prevention of inflammatory diseases and help reduce the risk of various conditions, including prostate problems. Additionally, pears contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and strengthen the immune system. Strengthening the immune system is crucial for fighting infections and inflammation that can affect the prostate. Another benefit of pears is their ability to control cholesterol levels, which helps maintain cardiovascular health, essential for good blood circulation and proper prostate function. Avocado. Avocado is a highly nutritious fruit rich in essential fatty acids such as omega-3s, known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds play an important role in the prevention of inflammatory diseases like prostatitis and help protect prostate cells from damage. Avocado also contains vitamins like A, C, and E, which are essential for combating oxidative stress, a factor that can accelerate cellular aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases, including prostate cancer. Additionally, avocado helps improve cardiovascular health, which is important for maintaining good blood circulation and ensuring that the prostate receives the nutrients and oxygen it needs to function properly. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small but extremely nutritious fruit. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which not only strengthens the immune system, but also combats oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to the development of diseases like prostate cancer. Furthermore, kiwi contains flavonoids and carotenoids, antioxidant compounds that have been associated with protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming kiwi also helps improve digestion due to its high fiber content and contributes to gut Gut health, a healthy gut, can help reduce inflammation in the body, an important factor in the prevention of prostate diseases. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit rich in bioactive compounds like polyphenols, particularly tannins and anthocyanins, which have powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect prostate cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body, factors that may contribute to the development of prostate diseases such as prostatitis and prostate cancer. Additionally, pomegranate contains ellagic acid, a compound that has shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing prostate tumors. Regular consumption of pomegranate can help improve overall health, lower cholesterol levels, and promote good blood circulation, aspects that are fundamental for the proper functioning of the prostate. How diet and lifestyle impact prostate health. Incorporating fruits like watermelon, pear, avocado, kiwi, and pomegranate into the daily diet can help strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote prostate health. However, these foods should be combined with other healthy habits to ensure a healthy prostate and prevent diseases. Regular physical activity, moderation in alcohol and tobacco consumption, a balanced diet, and regular screenings are essential actions for preventing prostate issues. Periodic consultations with a doctor are also crucial to monitor prostate health and detect potential problems in the early stages when treatment is more effective. In conclusion, taking care of prostate health involves more than just consuming specific foods. A holistic approach, including a diet rich in antioxidant fruits, exercise, stress reduction, and routine checkups, is the best way to ensure a healthy prostate throughout life. With a balanced diet and healthy habits, it is possible to prevent prostate problems and maintain quality of life for many years.